Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we will show you that how to use VLOOKUP in Excel. As we have two sheets. As you can see in sheet one, we have name, employee code, designation, and salary part is vacant. And in second sheet we have employee code and their salary. So we required salary according to their employee code in the sheet 1 from sheet 2. So we have to put down the formula is equals to VLOOKUP. Then we required uh, the big the lookup value. So the lookup value is the value that is same in both the sheets. So we have employee code is the common factor in both the sheets. So we have to select the lookup value from the same row, then click on comma. We require table array. In table array we have to select that sheet that have the value from where we want the value. So as the lookup value is employee code, we have to select that. Then we required salary, so we have to select the salary part, and then select all the employee code and salary part. As you can see that there is 5R and 2C. Now click on comma. It requires column index number, so we have to fill the column index number in the sense that it requires what the value we want in. So the value we want is the salary, and salary is the second column, so we have to fill 2. Then comma. For exact math it requires 0. Then we have to enter. When we will click on enter, it shows the salary, and we have to just drag down the formula, and we will get the result as we required. And now all the employee has their salary match instantly. So that's the power of VLOOKUP in just a few clicks. If this help you, then please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.